Okay guys, today is Fendace unboxing. This is the number one of 2 videos of Fendace, and today is a handbag. Please stay with me. Hi guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Oksana. Thank you so very much for clicking on this video. Today is unboxing and this is Fendace. So you can see I'm extremely excited about this collection. I couldn't go to boutique last week because I was very busy, but I just post also Fendace shopping log. I'm gonna link it over here, so please watch it. It's not a long one, but you can see many cute pieces from Fendace. So today, as I said, it's going to be a handbag, and then I guess next week I'm gonna do other items because I already received 1 item from the website and 1 extra item I purchased from the boutique. I'm still waiting for 1 more item to arrive, and then the next unboxing is going to be 3 items together. So let's proceed with this gorgeous unboxing. So it comes in this beautiful Fendace box. They have also beautiful Fendace ribbons, but somehow I just got the short one. They put it on the bag, they didn't put it on the, on the box. And the shopping bag itself, it's a Fendace, it's a huge Fendace shopping bag. It's definitely a collector piece, and I personally think that Donatella Versace and Kim Jones, they did fantastic job together, because quite often, when it comes to luxury brands, luxury houses, I don't want to sound negative, but quite often it's almost, the ego takes over, and everybody thinks that they're better than anybody. But in this case, they did fantastic collaboration. So let me just open it. So inside it's just a simple. So here is the dust bag. I love the dust bag. The quality is quite nice also. It's a drawstring dust bag, and da-da-da-da. I'm so excited. So this is Fendace La Medusa bag in jacquard and grained leather, I would say, black and brown. Absolutely gorgeous. I think from this collection it's one of those loud but at the same time kind of settle piece, and you can use it in summer, you can use it in winter. And if you guys, any of you new to my channel, you know that I love Zucca print so very much. In fact, I can show to you from Fendi. I have actually 3 pair of shoes. I have extra Fendi strap, and I will show you with this handbag. I have 3 pieces of ready to wear. I have biker shorts, I have Zucca print skirt, and I have Zucca print dress. So if you haven't guessed yet, I really love Zucca print. I have Peekaboo X Light handbag, but I find also with the Fendi, their bags could be somewhat very conservative. Some of them, not all of them. But with the Zucca print, I find it almost has to be a fun, because it's kind of like almost funky. But anyway, I'm already digress. So let's look at this handbag, because you can see this is absolutely brand new, completely unwrapped yet, because at the boutique I tried the display piece and I asked if they had a new one, and they had new one, so they give it to me. So this is, I think, considered size medium. It's 25 at the bottom. It's 22 centimeters in height, and I think about 10 or 12 in width. And if you look, it obviously has a Zucca print, and then everywhere it has a piping. It's a leather piping. That's how this side look like. The other side, actually, Okay, and this is the bottom. Once again, it's a leather, and it has those kind of almost like a leather piece fit, and it's perfect because in this case, you know, when you settle your bag, it's the actual jacquard material won't get dirty. So let's open together. You can see it's completely packaged. So inside, this is the special I think explanation about the Fendace collection. I think the idea of the handbag. So, oops, sorry, just push it back inside. So like that. So this is the chain number 1, because this handbag comes with 2 chains. And this is the leather piece chain. You can see it's completely brand new, unwrapped. Nobody used this bag yet, not even touch it, and I'm so excited. So let me show you inside. So inside it's leather lined. At the front you have kind of 2 slip pockets right there, and at the back 1 zip pocket, which is very nice. Once again, here is the tag, which is like once again the ID and everything on this tag. Absolutely gorgeous on the sides, and I really love what they did on the sides. They put this Fendi logo, but at the same time it's kind of protecting these corners, so because quite often, like, you know, the corners got worn out. And of course on top you have La Medusa. Okay, and the size is actually absolutely perfect. I love this size of the handbags when you don't have to what should I put, stress out about every single inch of the space. And it has a magnetic closure, and you know, you can put just a little bit more than car key and a wallet. Absolutely love it. It comes with this chain, but honestly guys, I don't like this chain at all. I thought it's made of aluminum, but the guy said that it's actually made of plastic, and it makes this almost like, you know, rattling snake sound, and I hate snakes, so I don't really like it. But I just gonna put it, you know, for you guys to see how it looks like on the bag. I mean, occasionally you can wear it just as a fun piece, but honestly I don't really like it. I don't really like it, but you know, it comes with the handbag. Okay, so let me remove it. And to be honest, I don't really like the look even of this chain on the handbag, but that's not the point. The other straps that it comes with is just a simple black strap, and you know, it has those kind of like buttons that you can button up and strap it up. And it actually looks quite nice with this strap. I tried it at the boutique, but what I'm thinking, I have also my Fendi strap in Zucca print, and since it's Fendace, so it means you can put any straps that you want, which is from Fendi or Versace. And these loops are actually absolutely perfect for this straps, so they're not too big, not too small, and that's how it looks like. It's a bit different, especially on the camera, because the camera is picking up the colors differently, but in the real life it actually looks quite close. Even the hardware looks quite close in the color. So, and that's how I actually plan to use it. I think it looks absolutely cute together, and it has like a little bit more of the casual vibe, casual chic. So let me actually, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna adjust the camera and I will show you a little bit closer in details this handbag. So I hope it's in a good focus, so you can see this Fendi logo on the sides, and as I said, I absolutely love it. Fendi La Medusa on top. Love this top handle, very practical, and it's big enough to even to put it on the crook of your arm. So that's how it held inside. that top handle. Once again, very, very nice and secure. This is how it looks inside. These snap buttons, they are actually removable, so if you want make handbag a little bit wider, so that's how it looks like with the straps that I put it on the side. I love this piping. Piping is absolutely gorgeous. It has once again the snap button, and it's quite like, you know, strong, and you can hear the sound of clicking and closing. So that's how it looks like at the back. Normally they put Versace over here on La Medusa, but because it's jacquard material, I guess they couldn't. So that's how it looks like. Absolutely love it. Absolutely love it, love it, love it. And I want to show you Fendi shoes that I think will be a perfect match with this you know, handbag. I have these Fendi shoes. They are from Angel collection, and see how perfect they are for the like, you know, match with this handbag, and it's perfect for summer, I would say. And then I have just a black Fendi you know, Calibri boots. They will look perfect also in fall time. So that's about it for this unboxing. I'm so excited. Lately actually I'm kind of like, you know, going back to Versace, because in fact my very first luxury handbags was Versace. It was Versace La Medusa in blue color. Actually, it's hard for me to say because I got two handbags pretty much at the same time. I got Roberto Cavalli tote bag for everyday work, and then I got La Medusa, kind of like more weekend handbag. And it was actually this specific size. And I'm so happy that it's finally coming back to my collection. Lately also I just purchased also La Medusa mini. I'm gonna link that unboxing somewhere over here. Please watch it. It's also the cutest handbag ever, and I think this collaboration of Versace and Fendi is one of the best collaboration ever. I absolutely love it. I absolutely love it. I think this is just absolutely gorgeous. That's what I have to say. So that's about it for today. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to give me likes, because it's definitely improving my chances on YouTube internet. If you like, please share my video with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe. If you already existing subscriber, thank you so very much, and I will see you on my next one. Bye bye.